Okay, let's talk about the social part of social excellence. I wonder if some of the leaders we work with view social time as a waste of time. As in, the social part is the stuff we do after the meeting, after work, after hours, right? In between the real stuff or the stuff that matters. Do they see it as a nice thing to do or a way to unwind? Do they see it as extra or fun, unnecessary? Is it what the less committed members of the team do? If social is central to leadership, spoiler alert, it is because all leadership is social, then it's not a waste of time. It's an investment. What if we use being social as more than just a way to unwind? Y'all, that might just be the key to connection and leveling up as a team. Rather than naming it as the problem tagged to the less involved members, it could be the very key to connecting and engaging the members who are drifting away. Could this be the answer? Yes, it is. The answer is yes. Oh, don't believe me? Try it. I dare you. Social is not the thing we do after we finish with our business. It should be the way we do our business. This is about investing in people's lives, investing in something bigger than ourselves. That is leadership. That is social leadership. That is social excellence.